Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn the chapter 6. Okay. Already we have started this chapter, isn't it? What is the name of the chapter? Tolstoy form. Very interesting chapter. And one more thing I want to say to you, a small advice for you. Okay, before starting the lesson I want to give to you. So most of the students, you are not reading the textbook. Textbook reading is very important, then only you will understand what the author is saying. Okay, what are the characters in the textbook, what are the conversation between two people, everything you will know. You can develop your vocabulary when you are reading the textbook. You will know what are the words are coming, how they are using. Okay, it's very important. But most of the students, you are not reading the textbook, so you have to read the textbook. So follow this instruction, okay, what I am telling, then you will know how you are improving, okay, your English language and everything. Okay, so let us start our English lesson. Okay, so what is the lesson name? Tolstoy form. Who written this? Mahatma Gandhi, the great leader Mahatma Gandhi written this lesson. Okay, so I have completed off only, off portion I have completed, remaining portion I am going to finish today. So I have to sum up the lesson. What is that? This is an extract. So this lesson was extract from Gandhiji's autobiography. What do you mean by autobiography? Autobiography is a, they will write their own experience. Okay, autobiography means they will write their own experience. So it is an autobiography. What is that? What that autobiography name? The story of my experience with truth. Okay, so from that autobiography they have extract some particular portion and they have given here. Okay, so what is the lesson about? What is the lesson about? The story of my experience with truth, where he described, Gandhiji describes his life. Okay, he was describing his life with the inmates of the Tolstoy form. What do you mean by inmates? Inmates, I told you, actually in English the words, the spelling are same, you will have different meanings. Okay, for example, bank, BANK, bank. Bank, we are going getting the money, that is one bank. Another one is bank of river. So here also they given inmates, INMTES. Okay, INMATES, inmates. Inmates is one meaning is prisoners. Okay, but here we have to take it as a students, different kinds of students, they are confined in that institution. Okay, they are staying in the institution and they are learning. Okay, that is the meaning here, inmates. So he is describing the different kinds of students coming from different countries. He is describing about him. Okay, about them. So Tolstoy form was a community of Indians started by, so it is a group of Indians started these Tolstoy forms. Tolstoy form, what do you mean by Tolstoy form? I told you, it's like a ashramam. Okay, it like a ashram means it's like an institution. Okay, and then where he taken the Tolstoy name. Tolstoy is a Russian writer. Okay, both these Gandhiji and his friend Kellenberg was interested about his writings. What? Russian writer Tolstoy form. They were impressed by his writing, so they have given this name Tolstoy. Okay, so here what Gandhiji was, he started this Tolstoy form and initiated with along with his friend Kellenbeck. Okay, Kellenbeck. And then what happened? Here there are different kinds of peoples are coming. Where he started in South Africa in 1910 he started. Okay, and then there are different kinds of peoples are coming. What are the peoples are? Hindus, Musliman, Parsi, Christians, Hindu. There are different kinds of people are coming and studying here. So what Gandhiji's concept ideas was to give education to the students. Okay, not only education but also you want to give some physical work also. Okay, usually in schools we are going, studying and coming. This is the way they are, their system. But Gandhiji's conception, ideas was to give the students in a different way of education. Okay, not only subject wise education, but also physical work. Okay, they should be responsibility. So he was started in that idea he was started this institution. Okay, and then what he was telling there are scarce in teachers. Scarce means less numbers Indian teachers are there. Okay, so if they are good teachers also, but they are not able to come to that Johannesburg because it is very very far away. So the teachers are very very scarce in number, less in number. Even though there are some good teachers, they are not able to come to the place because of the because of the distance they are not able to come. And Gandhiji, he was telling, I am having very very less amount only, so I cannot afford more salary to the teachers also. Okay, he was telling that. And then what are the things we have seen, studied? And he is not believing in the existing system of education. Okay, he is not believing in that, he is not agreeing the existing system of education. Okay, and then he was telling, I am the responsibility person. So he was initiated this initiated this institution. So he was the responsibility person to run the institution. So what he was telling, I occupied the place of the father. So what he was telling, I am occupied the place of the father, and I should so far as possible shoulder the responsibility for the training of the young. So what he was telling, I have responsibility to give the training to the youngsters. Okay, that is the thing we have. Last class we have already seen that. I am sum upping that. Okay. And then, and one more thing he was telling, the people, that is the young people are coming from different areas, different culture, different religion. So it is not easy to give and judge. Okay, give justice to all the people in a same way. Okay, it is very difficult. Okay, so if it is one community means we can easily convey our message and everything. So they are studying Hindus, Christians and every way. So it's not it's not an easy one, he was telling. And one word he was telling, pater families. Pater families means the male head of the family. Okay, and then what he was telling, I want to give moral training. What Gandhiji was telling, I want to give moral training, and that moral training should be alike. I want to give to every person in a same manner, he was telling. I regarded character building as the proper foundation for their education, and if the foundation was firmly laid, I was sure that the children could learn all the other things themselves or with the assistance of friends. As I fully appreciate the necessity of literary training in addition, I started some classes with the help of Mr. Kellenbeck and Pragaji Desai. So not only Gandhiji was alonely doing his work, but also with the help of his friend Kellenberg and Pragaji Desai. Along with them, he was running that institution. And then they got in the course of their daily routine, for there were no servants on the farm. So it's very important. So in that institution, in that farm, they are not calling as institution, they are telling as farm. Okay, what he was telling, in that institution there is no servants. Okay, there is no servant. The students themselves, the students themselves have to work all the works. Okay, till the morning, till the night. What are the works they having? Sweeping, cleaning, mopping, okay, and then utensils washing. Okay, washing the utensils, and everything was done by the young people. Okay, so why he was giving this kind of works? Because they have to be responsibility, they have to know that. And the physical building also, if they are working this kind of work, they will be build a physic means body. Okay, physic. There were many fruit trees to be looked after and enough gardening to be done as well. So there is gardening is there. Okay, and then they all should work in the garden works, and then kitchen works and everything. Not only that, they have to digging pits, felling timber, lifting loads, and everything they have to do. So some usually we have separate for exercise. No, we have to separate for exercise work. But what Gandhiji was telling, if you do these works, automatically we no need of exercise or games. Okay, he was telling. And then sometimes the children are very young children. Okay, the children are very young children. They cannot do the work from the morning till night. Sometimes they were bored, no, so that time they will skip the job and they will go to play. Okay, they will skip the job and they will go to the play section. Okay, and then so everything was the experience he had. What are the experience he had? He was telling. Okay, in the ashramam. And then what he was telling, by argument, sometimes I have an argument with the small children. He was telling. Gandhiji was telling. And then there were scarcely any illness on the farm. So it's very important. So there are different kinds of people, different religion, different kinds of people, no. So the children are very young children. So what he was telling, there is no there is scarcely any illness. There is no illness of the students. Okay, there is no illness of the students. Why? Because the good air, fresh air is coming, and water is pure water, and regular hours of food. So they are giving the food in a proper way. Morning, afternoon, and then night, they are giving the food to the children in a proper way. So they are all are healthy only. They don't get any illness. Are you able to follow me? Okay. A word about vocational training. What do you mean by vocational training? Vocational training means training for a specific career. Okay, they are giving a training for specific career. That is vocational training. It was my intention to teach every one of the youngsters some useful manual vacation. So what he was, vacation means job. Okay, don't think that vacation. Okay, this vacation, I told you, no, in English there are different sounds are there, but different meanings are there. So you have to see your textbook and you have to find out the meaning for VOCATION, vacation. Vacation means a particular occupation. Okay, particular job, okay, particular job. So he was concentrating, giving training for the students for a specific career, okay, and he was not giving subject wise education but also manual vacation. Manual means physical work also he was giving. For this purpose, Mr. Kallenbach went to a Trappist monastery and returned having learned shoemaking. So Gandhiji's friend, okay, Gandhiji's friend, supporters, Mr. Kallenbach, he was going to Trappist monastery. Monastery means a workplace. Monastery means a workplace. In that place, he was learnt shoemaking. Okay, who? Gandhiji's friend. So he was going to monastery and he learned the shoemaking and he was teaching to the students. Okay, and he was teaching to the students also. Who? Kallenbach, Gandhiji's friend. I learned it from him and thought the art to search were ready to take it up. Mr. Kallenbach had some experience of carpentry. So he has experience in the carpentry. Carpentry means what? Carpentry is a work of cutting and shaping the woods, everything. Okay, that is so Kallenbach is experience of shoemaking and experience of carpentry. So these works was he was teaching to the students. There was another inmate who knew it, so we had a small class in carpentry. So they have started a class of carpentry also. Carpentry, what I told you, is a work of cutting and shaping the woods and all. Okay, and then they have small classes in carpentry, cooking. Okay, almost all the youngsters knew. Understand? So Mr. Kallenbach is Gandhiji's friend. He was went to monastery and he learned the making of shoe. Okay, making shoe. He had experience of shoemaking. He had experience of shoemaking and he had experience of carpentry, and he was teaching to the youngsters. He was teaching to the youngsters. And then what happened? They have started a class of carpentry and cooking and everything. All this was new to them. They had never even dreamed they would have to learn these things someday. So what Gandhiji was telling, this was new to them. The children, usually if you are going to an institution, what you will think? They will give you education, subject wise education only they will give. So this kind of things are new to them. The students are experiencing it new to them. Okay. They never dreamed like this. They will work like this. Okay, for generally the only training that Indian children received in South Africa was in the 3 hours. So what they are telling, so the Indian children received education in South Africa was in the 3 hours. 3 hours means 3 basic skills they are giving the training. Understand? On Tolstoy form, we made it a rule that the youngsters should not be asked to do what the teachers did not to do. So this is very important point. What they are telling, the youngsters not asking to do what the teachers did not do. So the teachers are learning everything and then only they are practicing the children. Okay, that means the children will learn in a correct way, because the teachers are learned everything. Okay, so they are teaching the students also. When they were asked to do any work, they were always as teachers cooperating and actually working with them. So here the teachers cooperation is, they are giving at the most. Okay, they are giving they are cooperating. The teachers are cooperating with the students. Hence, whatever the youngsters learn, they learn cheerfully. So, the youngsters are whatever they are learning in a happy way, cheerful way. They never sad, they never feel sad. They are in a cheerful way. They are learning the training and everything. So this is a beautiful lesson. I have completed this lesson. So just you all should read the textbook. Okay, this is Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography. They have extract the autobiography. So all should learn this from the textbook. All should read the textbook. Okay, all should read the textbook. It's very very important. Understand? So it is about Gandhiji, how he started the ashramam, or what are the ideas he having in the education system. There are different kinds of people are studying. So he was not giving a normal education. He was giving physical works also to the student. So it's a very very beautiful lesson. Please read the textbook, and if you have any doubt, please ask me through mobile. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.